So Lisbon, the capital, sort of an interesting mix of San Francisco meets Morocco. It really is. It's very similar to San Francisco in a lot of ways. It's about the same latitude as San Francisco. It has a bunch of hills. Even has this bridge, looks kind of familiar. It's the same guy who designed the Golden Gate Bridge. This is the 25th of April bridge, crosses the River Tejo in Lisbon. Of course, trolley cars, just like you see in San Francisco. And then this Manueline architecture, very distinct to Portugal, that sort of looks like it's something of a combination of Gothic and Moroccan. Also these tiled buildings everywhere like you would see in the Middle East. And it's also an interesting city of sort of old and new. So Lisbon's a very old city, has Roman roots. So you see a lot of these old buildings. This is the Alfama neighborhood, very old section of town with these twisty, windy streets and red tiled roofs. But then you have these very modern structures like the subway system. This is the Oriente train station, very modern. And also the Vasco da Gama Bridge, one of the longest bridges in the world. Wow. Crosses the River Tejo. So you have this interesting mix of old and new. There's also a city of great views. Because of all the hills, there's all these different viewpoints in the city. This one is just below the castle. If you're going up to see the castle, you have they're called miradors. Overlooks the Alfama neighborhood, the old fisherman's quarter. Up at the castle, which is the highest point in the city, you have this view from their viewpoint. Fantastic view overlooking the entire city. And then there's from the Santa Justa elevator. This is an old steel elevator that was designed by one of the students of Eiffel who designed the Eiffel Tower. From the top of that has a nice view of Rocio Square.